Imagine you own a home that needs a lot of work. We're not talking about paint and flooring. We're actually talking about a full renovation, a new kitchen, new bathrooms, a whole new roof, the whole thing. And you don't have the money to do it, or the time, or the contractors. Most people in that situation feel like their only choice is to take a low cash offer and then just walk away. But there is another way. What if we came in as your partner and we did the entire renovation ourselves? We sold the home for what it's actually worth when it's completely finished, and then shared the results with you. That's called our Revive Partnership Program, and it changes everything. I'm Jason Oliver with Envision, and we're a real estate solutions team right here in the Shenandoah Valley, Virginia. We don't just buy homes, we actually partner with sellers to get the best results possible. And for homes that need serious work, the Revive program is how we do that. Here's how this actually works. Step 1, we sit down together and look at your home. We walk through it, we take notes, we talk about what it would look like after a full renovation. Then we go talk to our team and come back with a plan and a number. In step 2, we agree on what you're going to walk away with, a guaranteed amount, your floor. That's the minimum that you'll receive, no matter what. On top of that, we share in the profits from the sale. So if the home sells for more than expected, you get a piece of that too. Then step 3, we do all the work. Our construction team comes in, we renovate the home from top to bottom. You don't manage a single contractor, you don't spend a single dollar. Then step 4, we sell it. We list the fully renovated home on the open market with professional photography, marketing, and our full sales team. More buyers, more competition, better price. Step 5, you get paid at closing. You receive your guaranteed amount plus your profit share of whatever the sale produced. Now, I want to be honest about something that comes up a lot with sellers. Sometimes a homeowner believes that their property is worth way more than what recent sales in the area suggest. And look, we hear that all the time. Nobody wants to believe that their home is worth less than what they're hoping for. So here's what we do. We show you the data. We look at what similar homes nearby have actually sold for recently in similar conditions. And we're honest about where we think your home will land. But here's the part that I love. If you believe your home is worth way more, let's put it into an agreement. Let's say if your home sells for $300,000, here's exactly what you'll receive. We write it down. We commit to chasing to that number because we're partners. If you make more, we make more. We have every reason to push for the highest price possible. This way, there's no argument, there's no hard feelings, just a shared goal and a written plan to get there. Because this is a partnership, we put a formal structure in place. It's a written agreement that clearly spells out what we're each responsible for, what the timeline looks like, and what you'll receive at the end. Think of it as a rule book for our partnership. It protects you and it protects us. You get a full copy to review, take your time, and ask all the questions. We want you to feel completely comfortable before we start a single project. The Revive program is for the home that needs real work, not just a refresh, but a true renovation. It's for the seller who wants to get as much money as possible for a property that has value underneath the wear and tear. And it's for the seller who wants a team in their corner, not just a buyer who writes a check and disappears. So if that's you, let's talk. Grab our free seller's options guide in the description below. It shows you all of our options we offer, written so anyone can understand it. There's no guessing, no jargon, just real information to help you decide. And if your home needs serious work and you want a team that will show up, do the job, and make sure you're taken care of, reach out. We'd love to have a real conversation and see if the Revive Partnership Program is the right fit. Schedule a free consultation using the link below. Thumbs up if this was helpful, and subscribe for more real talk about real estate every single week. We'll see you in the next one.